What's up fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. Today it's time to refurbish these Lorinser wheels. Lorinser RS8 20" by 9. I'm super hyped about these turbine wheels. So I'm gonna guide you through the steps really quick before we begin. Then there's just going to be like a time-lapse montage of everything, no more explanation. So let's see what we got. So the barrels of the rims are looking really nice, just a little bit dirty. That could be fixed easily. So I'm just gonna go over it with a heat gun and a razor blade. Try to remove this like glue residue after some weights, the balancing weights. Then I'm gonna flip over the rims and go over the defects on the rims. For example, here there are some light scratches. I will go over the scratches and try to grind them away. If I'm satisfied with the results after I have removed just the scratch, then I will leave it like it is. And if it's a deeper scratch, then I will use some body filler, or not body filler but filler, chemical metal from Hagmans. This will be used as well, but not on the rims, to fill out the defects. When I'm happy with it, I'm gonna go over with some, I think some 600 grit to finish it off, to get a really nice surface. Then I will lay down one coat of primer from Hagmans. Then this is giving a really nice coverage, so one layer will do. Then I will lay down probably one tack coat, then two solid coats of the coloring, which is silver gray, which I really like. And then we're gonna do a couple of layers of clear coat to get a nice resistant finish and really good shine to it. So nothing else to add really, just to start working and see where we end up. Enjoy the video. So this is the worst rim with the worst curb rashes, and I managed to flatten it out just by grinding on them. It wasn't too bad, so the shape is still intact. I just grinded them down like a millimeter or two. So I'm not gonna use any filler, and this is the best case scenario, because if you use a filler, the chance is that if you touch the edge again or during vibrations or stuff like that, it might fall off, and then you will have a big flaw in the rim. So the best is to use just bare metal as it is right now. So now we're just gonna scuff up this surface. It's really nice otherwise, besides the scratches. So just gonna rough up the surface and then start with the primer. that's it for this video. I think the results came out super good with the clear coat on. It just looks amazing. It's like new rims. Okay, they're not 100%, but I would say 99.5 maybe. And it's really dusty in here, so I better go to sleep, take a shower first. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, it means a lot to me. Comment if you have any questions. Smash the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.